Are you ready to make one of the biggest promises you've ever made in your life? Hey, it's Albert here. The biggest promise, or one of the biggest promises you'll end up making in your life, is a mortgage, which essentially means that you're promising to pay the bank the money back to them. And if you don't, well, yeah, sadly they can take your house away. So that's why it's pretty serious. Growing up, I always heard the word mortgage. Gotta pay the mortgage next month. Otherwise, well, you know. Well, no, I don't know. Does that mean we're not gonna be able to eat Chinese food or go out and have a good time? So what does the mortgage actually mean? Well, let's take a closer look. You pay the principal, which is the money you give to the bank, and they take it off of your principal, and that's how it goes down a little bit each month. You pay interest, which is the money you owe the bank for them lending a loan to you. Homeowners insurance, which on average in Massachusetts will be approximately $1,000 per year, which is about $83 a month. And then you have property taxes, which on average will be, we'll say $4,000 a year, which is around $333 a month. So on a house that you purchase for $200,000, when you factor in an interest rate that you're locked in, we'll say 5%, you put 5% down on the house, so that's $10,000. Whew, I guess my math is getting good. Then you have principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. All together, you have a monthly mortgage payment of approximately $1,500 a month. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, if I pay $1,500 a month on my rent right now, I can definitely pay and afford $1,500 if I buy a house. It's essentially the same thing, right? Wrong. There are so many expenses that you need to know about when you own a house. And although I may not have enough time in this video to go over all of those things, I will in other videos. But for now, I just want to tell you about the mortgage. You should know that the mortgage payment will change over the course of a 30-year loan. A 30-year fixed mortgage is the most standard. And you're probably asking yourself, how in the heck is that possible? It says monthly mortgage payment is estimated to be at $1,500, which includes everything. And it's fixed, it's not variable. Variable is when the interest changes. If I'm getting fixed, how in the heck is it possible for my mortgage payments to change? It's because everything goes up in life. You know that. Everybody says, everything goes up except my pay. Well, we can control more things than you think. It's the taxes and insurance that actually go up, also known as the escrow. So if you look carefully on your monthly mortgage payment, or statement rather, you'll see that it says principal, interest, escrow. Escrow is the homeowner's insurance and taxes. So when you pay in your town for taxes, that includes maybe a new library that just opened up, public safety like police officers, fire department, new sidewalk, all of those wonderful things that happen in your town, you're paying for it. I wanted to let you know that even though you're paying what appears to be a certain amount every month when you first buy a house, eventually those monthly payments are gonna go up without warning. You really need to know how to save money while you own a house. So the biggest tip I can give to you right now is rent a house before you buy a house. If you tell me or anybody else that your rent would be the same as your monthly mortgage payment, perfect. Next thing I want you to do is, while you're still renting in that house, is save money, cash, because you're gonna need that cash for other household items. And I'm gonna share those items and things that you'll need that cash for in the next video. Before I let you go on this one, I just want to let you know that I have so much going on as far as this YouTube channel, sharing on Facebook with my friends, with the public, anybody that wants to know more about the home buying process and what it takes to live in your next home comfortably while knowing everything there is to know before you buy the house. I ask you one thing, what is something that you want to know about the buying process? Is it about how much you can afford, how much or what kind of credit score you need? Whatever question you have, please leave your comment below and I would love to answer those questions for you in the next video. Just wanted to let you know how much I really appreciate you watching these videos, and I want to be clear that I'm Albert, and yes, I'm a real estate agent, and yes, I want to help you, but the only way somebody can really be helpful is by really loving themselves first. I really want you to realize that I want to be as most authentic to you as possible and let you know when you see me on camera, on video, that's how I'm actually going to be in person. And a lot of you that already may know me, I'm this goof. Sometimes I can be really whatever, I guess weird, but at the end of the day, I want to look out for your best interests. And the only way somebody like that can do that for you is if they really love themselves first. And in order to help you, I have to help myself. And I have a long way to go, yeah, but I've overcome some challenges and obstacles along the way. I'm not done yet, but I want to share some cool information with you that I hope you find really helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again at the next video.